This property is a 4-bedroom, 4 full baths, colonial. This property is listed for $743,850. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, wood flooring, a recreation or bonus room, an intercom system, a formal dining room, a great room, an eat-in kitchen, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, a central vacuum system, a partial basement, a whirlpool tub, built-in bookshelves, a heat pump, crown molding, a bar, a family room, a hot tub, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a fenced yard, an in-ground swimming pool, a patio, and a deck. The approximate square footage is 4,092 square feet.